Selling cars has been very good to car dealership giant Sandy Sansing. And if that's all you knew about him, you'd think he's a successful businessman. But wait until you see this story. He recently went to Guatemala and had what he calls the most rewarding experience of his life. Here's News 5's Debbie Williams.
A 2-month-old baby named Kelsey, sick and in need of a doctor.
Most of the children are malnourished, they're way underweight, and they get the germs, they get the parasites, the worms, they get sick.
In Guatemala, a trip to the hospital can be quite a journey.
We rode about 30 minutes on the highway. We got off in a 4-wheel vehicle and went 20 more minutes into the boonies.
Far from the concrete jungle of Car City in Pensacola, Sandy Sansing traveled a world away to the jungles of Guatemala on a mission trip with hope of life when word came that a baby was in need.
They said there's a baby rescue, so they got word that one of the villages was bringing a baby in.
But that's easier said than done in the Central American country. A rickety suspension bridge spanned a rushing river 80 feet below. Sansing volunteered to take the child across, and his heart started racing.
If I drop with this baby, if I fall, it's 80 feet down into the water, the current's moving fast, the baby will drown. I may be able to swim.
Sansing and the child made it to the hospital. Baby Kelsey is doing well.
We have it unbelievably good, and we take it for granted. It puts things in perspective. That's what's really important.
Reliving his experience through photos, Sansing says he will return to Guatemala soon. And what he did for that baby boy, he says, is nothing compared to what the child did for him.
It was one of the scariest things I've ever done in my life, also one of the most rewarding.
In Pensacola, Debbie Williams, News 5.
Sansing has been involved with mission work for 20 years in Africa, China, and Guatemala. He says most people want to help, they just don't know how. He's hoping his story will inspire others to do the similar work.